Have you ever wondered what to do with all that stuff people toss away? In this video, we'll dive into the craft of repurposing different materials to make distinctive and useful tables. It's not just about being environmentally friendly. It's also about giving your living space a unique touch. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Without further ado, let's get started. The beauty of upcycling. Upcycling isn't a short-lived trend. It's a purposeful and eco-friendly way of living. When we reuse things that might otherwise end up in landfills, we reduce the need for new resources and limit the environmental impact of our daily choices. Turning old items into stylish tables isn't just about being creative. It's a practical way to do something good for the planet. It's taking what might be seen as trash and turning it into something useful and good-looking for our homes, all while making a positive impact on a larger scale. This isn't just a trendy thing to do. It's a thoughtful decision that aligns with caring for the environment, letting us do our part in cutting down waste and encouraging the reuse of materials in a simple and doable way. Materials that can be upcycled. Pallet coffee table. First, try making a pallet coffee table. Grab a pallet, sand it down really well to make it super smooth, and then get creative by adding a stain or paint to make it look just how you want. Make it even more useful by putting on strong wheels for easy moving or cool hairpin legs for that retro touch from the 50s. To make it all shiny and nice, put a clear coating on top to not just keep the wood safe, but also give it a polished finish. This creative adventure promises a unique charm for each table and a crafting process that turns old things into something fantastic. Reclaimed woodside table. Now, let's check out making reclaimed woodside tables. A fun project that celebrates the beauty of different sized wood pieces coming together like a mosaic. Start by gathering reclaimed wood in all sorts of shapes. Arrange them into a mosaic pattern on a plywood base. Stick them down with wood glue and then wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, make the tabletop really smooth by carefully sanding it down. To give it that extra modern vibe, add some sleek hairpin legs. Industrial pipe console table. Next, let's get hands-on with an industrial pipe console table. An elegant way to add an industrial vibe to your space. Start by measuring and cutting industrial pipes to the height you like, then put them together to create a strong frame. Attach a wooden or glass tabletop to complete the look, blending style and practicality seamlessly. Take it up a notch by painting the pipes in a color that matches your interior decor, adding a personalized touch to this edgy creation. Window shutter console table. To craft a charming window shutter console table, start by hunting for old shutters in different sizes. Arrange them side by side to form a tabletop, and get creative with the legs. Either attach some or repurpose an existing table base. To add that shabby chic vibe, paint or distress the shutters. This DIY project not only breathes new life into discarded shutters, but also results in a unique and stylish console table for your home. Old suitcase coffee table. Create a delightful old suitcase coffee table by finding a vintage suitcase with personality. Attach robust legs or repurpose an existing table base to support it. Give the suitcase a thorough cleaning and restoration, adding a protective layer of varnish. This not only enhances its appearance but also safeguards it. Now, you have a charming coffee table with a hint of nostalgia, providing both style and hidden storage for your living space. Wooden cable spool dining table. Consider crafting a wooden cable spool dining table for a cozy and rustic addition to your dining space. Begin by hunting down a generously sized wooden cable spool, ensuring it becomes the focal point of your project. Carefully sand and finish the spool, transforming it into a smooth and inviting tabletop. To ensure stability, add legs to the bottom, giving your table a grounded and substantial feel. The result is not just a piece of furniture but a homemade masterpiece. a rustic dining table that beckons family and friends to gather around for warm and memorable gatherings. Barn door entryway table. Begin your journey by seeking out an old barn door, one with a unique character to add a distinctive flair. Attach legs or repurpose an existing table base to provide sturdy support. Engage in the process of cleaning, sanding, and sealing the barn door to achieve a rustic finish that resonates with its storied past. Once complete, you've not just crafted a table but a conversation-worthy piece. An inviting entryway or hallway table that effortlessly captures the essence of timeless, farmhouse-inspired design. Window frame photo display. Start by searching for an old window frame with multiple panes, each plane carrying a story of its own. After carefully removing any broken glass and smoothing the frame with a bit of sanding, transform it into a unique photo display. Introduce wire or twine across the panes, creating a delightful grid to clip and showcase your favorite memories. Once completed, hang the window frame on your wall, turning it into not just a display but a personalized piece of art that effortlessly blends the timeless appeal of the past with the warmth of cherished moments in the present. Drawer plant stand. Transforming an old dresser drawer into a charming drawer plant stand is a creative and eco-friendly project. Begin by repurposing the drawer, giving it a fresh new appearance with a coat of paint or stain that suits your style. Elevate its design and functionality by attaching sturdy wooden or metal legs, turning it into a unique platform for your indoor garden. This DIY endeavor not only breathes new life into a discarded drawer, but also introduces a touch of nature to your home, making it a standout piece that seamlessly blends style and sustainability. Vintage door dining table. And lastly, let's take a step back in time and create a vintage door dining table, adding a touch of nostalgia to your space. Begin by choosing a sturdy vintage door with a unique design. After giving it a good clean, sand it down, and enhance its natural beauty with a coat of varnish. Repurpose it by attaching table legs, or if you prefer, leave it as if for a charming low coffee table. To complete the look and protect the door surface, crown your creation with a glass top. In this exciting upcycling adventure, each table not only becomes a functional piece, but also stands as a testament to the beauty of repurposing materials, turning them into stylish and conversation-worthy additions to your home. With a dash of innovation and a sprinkle of DIY magic, you've witnessed how ordinary items can be transformed into stylish tables. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried turning old stuff into something cool? What part of this video do you like most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.